Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 5, illustration number 17. Anil, Sunil and Hari are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:3. The earlier sum we had only two partners, existing partners, and the new partner one more will be admitted. But here we got three partners, old partners. So the old partners share of profit is given. Anil 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So 4 plus 10 for Anil and 3 by 10 for Sunil and 3 by 10 for Hari. So old ratio is calculated. They admit Raja, so the new partner name is Raja, for 20% of profit. So in the sum, the 20% of share is given. That case, Raja's future share of profit is 20 divided by 100. That is percentage mean 20 divided by 100. So 120 is 20, 5 20s are 100. So 1 by 5 share of profit. Raja's future profit is 1 by 5 is given. So now they ask us to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now we see here in this sum the old ratio is given as well as the new partner's share of profit is given. But if you want to calculate the sacrificing ratio, mean you need the new profit sharing ratio and the old ratio, because sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now we are not having the new ratio. One thing. Second thing, if you are not having the new ratio, at least the proportion how much is received from the particular existing partners, that should be mentioned. The 1 by 5 share of profit, the 1 by share of Raja, he received from whom? The 1 by 5 share he received from whom? The proportion also didn't mention this sum. So new profit sharing ratio also not available. Proportion of share sacrificed also not available. So now we are going to take sacrificing ratio as a old partners, old profit sharing ratio. So now we are not having the new profit sharing ratio as well as share proportion of share sacrificing proportion also we are not having. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio. What is the old ratio? 4 by 10 and 3 by 10 and 3 by 10. So that is the sacrificing ratio. Now we have calculated, because they didn't give the new profit sharing ratio and the proportion of share sacrification also. So we got the sacrificing ratio. Now we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So we know that new profit sharing ratio mean old ratio minus share sacrificed. Old ratio minus share sacrificed. Now we see here. In this sum, share sacrification now only we have calculated. So from this you should not calculate it. We are going to calculate from this 1 by 5. 1 by 5 share is given to them. Now we see here, imagine whole share is 1. Whole share is 1. In the whole share, 1 by 5 is given to 1 by 5 is given to Raja. Then what is the remaining part of the share? To have the C equal denominator, we are going to multiply by 5 into 5. So 5 divided by 5 minus 1, common denominator 1. So 4 by 5. Now we see here, in the whole part of 5, one part is given to a new partner Raja. The remaining 4 part is given to the existing old partners. So in this 4 by 5, the share sacrificed, based on that we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now we see here, Anil, see here, new shares equal to remaining share into old share. Remaining share into old share. Because here sacrificing ratio and old ratio both are same only. Now we have treated as a sacrifice ratio, but they didn't give. So from this remaining part, based on their old ratio, they are going to share it. So 4 by 10. In the 4 by 5, what is the share of 4 by 10? In this part, what is the contribution to him? The same way for Sunil. new share into old share. Then Hari. New profit sharing ratio is equal to new share into old ratio, old share. So 4 by 5 into 3 by 10. So 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 10, 50. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 10, 50. The same way, 5 into 10, 50. Now you see here, all the denominators are 50. In the new profit sharing ratio, the new partner Raj also should be included. So Raja's share is in the form of 1 by 5 is there. To have the equal denominator, we are going to multiply by 10 into 10. So 10 by 50. Now you see here, 16 plus 12 plus 12 plus 10, we will get the equivalent value 50. So 16 plus 12, 28, 30, 40, 50. So we got the denominator value also 50. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to 16:12:10. It can be simplified also by divided by 2. 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. So the maximum level simplified way we have tried it here. So 8:6:6:5 is a new profit sharing ratio. So sacrifice here, the new profit sharing ratio and proportion of share sacrifice is not given. So we have taken old ratio as here, sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now in this sum we have calculated the new ratio. New ratio is equal to remaining share into old ratio. Remaining share into old ratio. So this is the remaining share into old ratio. We have calculated the new profit sharing ratio.